Now, today, December 1st, marks World AIDS Day, a day to raise awareness about the fight against HIV and to remember people who have died from the disease. Statistics show some 35 million people around the world are HIV positive and nearly 10,000 of them, on record at least, live in Korea. In the global fight against the disease, local activists say Korea could be doing much more than it currently is. Connie Lee reports.
The number of people with AIDS is increasing here in Korea. In 2010, 773 new cases were reported. However, in 2013, more than 1,000 new cases of HIV and AIDS have emerged, making the total number of patients currently with the virus at over 8,600. The report, released by the Korea Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, shows that 92% of the patients are male, with most of those infected in their 20s and 30s. HIV, which stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus, attacks the body's immune system, and the later symptoms of HIV infection are referred to as AIDS, a debilitating disease that requires more attention here in the nation. In light of World AIDS Day on December 1st, activists took to the streets of Seoul on Sunday, urging the government for more support.
I hope the government would take the forefront action to change social perception on AIDS.
Activists say HIV patients are discriminated against and receive inadequate health care. They say there are only 70 facilities nationwide that specialize in HIV and AIDS, and there are no facilities that care for patients long term.
Most of HIV patients who are in need to a long-term medical care would look after their own health at home with special medical equipment, or some would stay from hospital to hospital just for a limited time.
However, there are small steps being taken by the government in the fight against the disease. Public health centers in Seoul offer free HIV testing. However, the results are not available until about a week after. Now Seoul is hoping to speed up the process.
Starting next year, we will offer rapid HIV testing. Results will be provided within 20 minutes using just a drop of blood. With the implementation of this service, early detection will prevent the health of HIV-positive patients from deteriorating and also reducing the spread of HIV by those who pass the infection unknowingly.
And once the patients are confirmed as HIV positive, the Seoul city government plans to offer them basic medical subsidies. Connie Lee, Arirang News.